Welcome to this presentation where I will present a three-step process for making well-informed career decisions, point out some important tips, and how CCRI Career Services has resources to help you successfully make career choices. Throughout your life, you may be faced with choosing between jobs or perhaps changing your career direction. How will you know which is the best fit for you? This three-step process can help guide you. Self-assessment is the foundational first step. It's all about understanding your values, interests, personality type, and skills. We call these your VIPs. The better you know yourself, it's easier to find your best fit. The Career Services website has two online career assessments called My Majors and Type Focus. These will help you target careers that match your unique VIPs. More on these assessments in a minute. The second step, explore, means taking an active part in planning your career. Securing part-time jobs, internships, and taking a variety of classes are just some ways to try out careers to see if you really enjoy them before choosing a major. Exploring will help you make the decision that's right for you. If along the way you're unsure or feel stuck, reach out to us. We're here to help. Our pro tip is your self-assessment results will show you which careers to start exploring. Let's take a closer look at these three steps, starting with self-assessment. Both the My Majors and Type Focus career assessments are self-directed, which means you receive and you can review your results right away and don't require an appointment with a staff member. Of course, we're available to help you more fully understand your results and assist you with your next steps. Just reach out to our office if you'd like further guidance. Each assessment takes only between 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Do your best to answer all questions honestly and what you believe to be true about yourself and what you may like and dislike. All results from both assessments are aligned with CCRI academic programs, so you'll be able to see right away how your results line up with the programs CCRI offers. If you're a first-time CCRI student, choose the My Majors assessment. Your results provides you with between 8 to 10 majors and 3 to 4 pathways to explore. Your report will help you see career choices that are a best fit for you, feel more confident about a choice, and help you begin researching careers. If you've changed your major or are returning to college after a break or an alumni, we suggest the Type Focus 7 assessment. It's a self-paced career guidance tool that takes you from assessing your VIPs in step 1 all the way to success on your first job in step 6. Complete steps 1 to 3 to get started with Type Focus. In step 2, it's time for you to explore those careers suggested on your assessment results. There are two main ways to do this. You can easily research careers online to find salary information, necessary education, skills, and job growth rate. Both assessments provide you with some research within your report, and here are a few staff favorites. You can find much more on our website, so our tip here is to check it out, ccri.edu/career services. The second way is to gain hands-on experience. This can be done through internships, part-time jobs, volunteering, job shadowing, and informational interviews. The Career Services Office can help you secure these opportunities. Our internship and job portal called Handshake is where you can post your resume and connect with employers looking to hire CCRI students. We work with a variety of employers and internship sites as state and local police, local radio stations, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Rhode Island, the Rhode Island State Government Internship Program, and much more. Investing time and effort to explore career choices can really help you feel more confident and prepared for your career. Congratulations, you've invested time in self-assessment and exploration, and you've narrowed down your career choice to a few options. Here are some final tips to help you make a decision. Be well informed. Before choosing, find out what classes you'll need to take. Find out how much education that dream job will require and how much it could cost in student loans. When you've narrowed down your choice to a few options, making a pro-con list on paper can sometimes help clarify your best fit if you feel stuck. Continuing to gain experience will only help you clarify your choices. Sometimes it just takes time to decide. You might not be ready to choose. Our pro tip is meet with a career advisor if you need assistance. Finally, please know we want to connect with you, and there are 2 easy ways to connect with us. Visit our website. It has everything you need to know about successfully planning and managing your career. All our online tools are located here. Have a question? Email us for an appointment or just ask a question. We monitor this account daily. We have specific staff to help you with your specific career needs. A career advisor in career development can help you with career choices and research. A career placement officer in jobs and internships can help you gain experience and manage the job process. We know this is a lot of information, so we're here to help you along the way. Reach out to us. Our pro tip here is utilize our online career tools. These include our assessments, but also resume.com/ccri to help you write a resume and cover letter, Handshake to search for jobs and internships and post your resume, and finally, Big Interview, which will help you practice your interview. Thanks for listening, and we hope to connect with you soon.